in our games, please.
Okay.
He's a piece of shit, and he kept suiciding last week again against Rain. Yeah. I haven't seen it, but Rain, I've seen it. Anyways, this guy is on permaban since years, and he will remain like that. But on top of that, he's still suiciding. And the fucking... oh no, you didn't know the guy. He's an English man, totally crazy. His name is... What's his fucking name? Leopard Bull Strike.
Yeah, I know him.
Yeah, he's a piece of shit. Oh, he came back last week. He was cheating again. Suiciding again.
Really?
Yeah. You know, I don't even play with them. But, you know, people say, okay, so this guy is still playing. It cheated or not. You know, that's how it's here.
Ow.
Yeah, that guy is really good.
Yeah, now I'm super laggy. Not, it's playable, but it's laggier for sure.
Oh. Okay.
Oh!
Yeah.
You were on ceiling, you bitch.
Ah, for fuck's sake! I was trying to get a picture of you, I already had it. And you're the bitch. Where is this guy from?
Oh no, German daddy. Oh no, German daddy killing me through the walls. Okay, you can die now, you did the job.
Fuck off. Yeah. Ja, Mausi.
No. A fucking granddad with a shotgun.
No! I was about to escape, Fabienne, you little piece of shit. What's the matter? Shit. Oh, did you get a double headshot? No!
Oh, I had to click like 3 times to get that.
No.
Okay, that was not super clever.
What? How? I TK'd it. I TK'd it.
Yeah.
I did. What the heck?
No. Kill him. Oh,
Okay.
you bitch.
Kids on Rushan first, always.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
I thought I had TK in my hand. I had dash. I'm just nothing.
Was the storm's eye saved me?
Dude, why am I getting shot from every side all the time?
Because you're special.
Oh, thank you.
He's actually attacking. Jess would probably
Again, I shoot somebody comes from the side.
You're welcome.
Substitution.
Fuck you.
No. Come back! Come back! No, he was mine.
Oh, come back after him!
No.
Don't be a little coward! Come back!
No.
Okay, we're German. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Thanks.